Hey, look at this. Four-eyed fox body time at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1983 Ford Mustang GLX convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed mile, original mile car, a little over 36,000 miles on this one is all. 3.8 liter underneath the hood. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Let you go ahead and take a look at the front fascia, grille. Paint on this one, light Academy blue glow. Interior is considered cadet blue, cloth bucket seats, and paint shows well considering the age of it. Fun one to put the top down in the summer. Take a little cruise. Now if you want to check out the undersides, the interior, the engine bay, check out all of the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. And you can see the sides really free of much of any dings. Yeah, there's a few little spots. I mean, again, considering the age of the car, there may be an imperfection in the paint here and there. But overall, you can see how nice that shows. It's not been driven in inclement weather, of course, with the rear-wheel drive and being a convertible. Let you take a little closer look at this interior from the passenger side. Of course, bucket seats, 3.8 liter paired up with an automatic transmission, center console, AM, FM cassette player. It is a power convertible top, blue vinyl. We're going to put that up at the end so we can check out the condition of it. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. One little spot on the taillight there, it's got a little plastic chipped apart. Again, still pictures, over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. As we take a peek up and down the driver's side, again, very similar to the passenger side we just looked at. Yeah, can you maybe find an imperfection here or there? But overall, again, considering the age of this car, very nice condition. Parade boot or convertible cover fits on nicely. Snug and nice that fits. Color looks good on it yet. Original interior. Again, clean Carfax. Original mile car at a little over 36,000. Take a look at the door panels. Of course, GLX. Nice trim level. So we got power windows, power locks. This is the upgraded stereo system in this one too. A little better amp. That can be actually turned on and off, and I'll show you that when we get in and start this up. Seats don't really show a whole lot of wear. Again, consider the age of the Fox bodies now. I don't see any real rips, tears, holes. All right, cruise control on this one. Again, AC, power steering, power brakes. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Starts easily. Just a little fasten your seatbelt warning there. There's the exact miles, 36,080 it's ready to switch to. Just flipping between 79 and 80. Take a look at the gauges. That was a cold start. Amp meter, oil pressure, fuel gauge. There's that AM FM cassette player. Just click it on once. Just tune the station in.
The whiny,
so radio working
feeling
fine.
Sorry for themselves.
And you do have, like I said, the amp down here. Want to turn it on, boost your power to your stereo output. That will do it.
Hey guys.
All right. Of course, information center. Very early information center. Take a look at the rest of this dash. Tell this car's stored indoors. Dash, interior, unbaked, kind of dry rotted, I guess, if you will. Very nice condition. What you'd expect with that 3.8 liter underneath the hood. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out the power plant, engine bay, and then I'll put up that convertible top here at the end, and we'll wrap up this video. There we go. Hood popped. It's a 3.8. Pretty stock looking. I guess what you'd expect from a 1983 Ford Mustang. Once again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Clean Carfax, confirmed miles, no accidents indicated. Alright, I'm going to button the hood up and close that up, and put this top up, and we'll take a quick peek at that, check out the condition. And here it is with the top up. So power top, blue vinyl, power top functions as it should. You can see how it fits nicely above the windshield. And I did roll up the side windows, front and rear, so you can see how well that fits there, as well as the condition of the top. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Rear glass window, nice and clear. Come around to the passenger side here. Again, pretty much free of any wear, tear, discoloring. Nice condition. Here's how it fits with the side windows, the passenger side. So
here we have a 1983 Ford Mustang GLX convertible. We'll take it for a drive. Left turn signal works.
This organization dismisses.
Radio works. It's got a little exhaust noise up front, but it's not annoying, I guess. The amp gauge is right in the middle. Oil pressure is a little higher than right in the middle. Fuel is over half. That's functioning. Reading. Drive straight. Does not pull either way. Brake straight. Blower fan does work. Let's get some speed going here. That's 60 miles an hour. Little wind noise around the windows, as you might expect with a convertible. Temperature gauge is on cold, however, it was just started not long ago. Steering wheel seems centered. Right indicator works for the blinker. Wipers work. Washer works.
no surprises there. What you'd expect with Nice low mile original car. 1983 4-ride Fox body Mustang GLX convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.